In this tutorial you are going to learn how to create menu on pogogoa.com from your user dashboard.
I have a listing auto approve with the plan of PTN test plan. Add new, and here I can see some options for my menu. I'll choose a listing for my menu. I'll type the name of my listing auto approve. Here I can see two options, type and group manager. I need type and groups for my listing menu. I will type salad, and for group I'll type spicy. Now click on plus button. Now I'm having a type and a group in my listing. Right now my type is salad and my group is spicy. Here is menu item name in the menu you want to set. Spicy salad, I'll set it spicy salad. Now I'll set the price. Its regular price is $12, and if I want to set a sale price, I'll put $10 here. I'll type $10 here. Menu item description. This is the description of menu item, and here I'll type some random text. External menu item URL. If I want to attach an external menu URL to my listing, then the price set on my listing will be removed, and this external menu item URL's price option will be available here. But right now I'm switching it off. Here is another option, make this item as popular item. If you want to list it as popular item, you can enable this. At right side you can see spice level. If you left it empty, then it won't show any spice level, but if you want to set it, I'll select 2 spice levels for this menu item. Now image, for assigning feature image for the menu item, and we'll select this photo for menu item. Here is the button of add menu item. If I click this, then this menu item will be saved here. If I want to another item, I'll click here, add menu item, and type salad bar 2. I will set the regular price $33, and now description, this is bar salad menu type 2. Let me turn off the popular from this item, change the spice level into 3. Now I'll change feature image and add menu item. Now you can see both of my items are here with the same group and type. And if I click view all menu, then it will take me to the back of the menu tab. Now I'll open the listing and click listing auto approve. And here you can see both menu items are here. With the set price and details. If I add another item, it will be available here.
If you have any more queries, join our Facebook group. This is a private group only for Pogogoa users. Discussions are a great way of sharing and learning. Let's actively participate and make this platform beneficial for everyone.